Hello again, everyone. I bring another video for prediction market again. And now we're gonna use this strategy that I have already used before. Important to mention, it seems many people mention to me that I make video of this indicator. And what is this one? The Donchian Channel strategy. Alright. So we quickly go to the very simple configuration and go to the indicators part here on the Quotex Option platform. Just select that. Okay, that's very simple. We can add just and change the value of the average. Well, everything at your confidence in, but it depends on each one of the because it's the end as such is the same entry criteria. I'm gonna use 20 on period. Okay, you save that. For the style, that's up to you. I don't like to use the background, so I unselect that. I just like to change the thickness for each line. That's important. If you want to use 2 or 3 for that, that is up to you. Okay, 1 minute for the expiration time. All right, I try to identify some entry points right here, and when I have this, I try to explain that for you. Okay, so all right, so let's go, guys. So with that, the Donchian Channel indicators mark the high and lows of a period, and the price break this area indicators possible beginnings of a strong movement. All right. With the force, when they go to the chart, we're going to put in 1 minute, as I said for you, and maybe here we're seeing the movement. It can be a downward because it's a break in the previous low apply. Well, how did it apply it? Add the indicator, it's already there. I confirm that. Lateral rise also would expect a strong breakout movement. Okay, well, if there is a strong movement but it doesn't look so clear, so well, the inputs in the breakout direction use the middle mean in the ends. In this case, I'm going to use that mean. What is the channel? The extreme for that, I see that the price and this advanced. Okay, advanced micro devices. So why I'm using that, I don't know. Just didn't find a good opportunity for that. Okay, it's specified for all the pairs. Well, for a condition to occur whether the upwards or downwards in this scenario of the mean, the extreme or in the mean when I have the first entry, I think they explain this for you. We have this right now. Look, that's a good one, guys. It's an uptrend for that. We see that we're going to use first, we're going to mark what is good. Okay, so I can use trend language for that, and so on is complement. You can always use that and can always see the trend of the assets. That the price remains upward over time. Okay, not that there's a new low. Well, it could still stay in the range, and here it seems that is the break in that trend line. It may be, but I'm guided by the average that is here. The one is the middle, and I see the price break strongly, and the next candle return theirs, and this go up from the quarters mark soft C for that. So we just need to wait for that. I just performed the martingale for this one. Do not respect, but it's alright. Now reaction position against the downside. Went down because the price simply rejects the area that is here and falls below. Yeah. So it's possible that I have a lost position there. Scenario does not destroy someone, so we may just be that here the price breaks on this candle. And enter late. Break is going to stay strong in minutes. Look at that.
Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys.
Alright, wait for 1 month candle. Come on, baby. Candle is late from upside. This it's trying to get a revert. And it's good to see that, guys. A position that is lost because the movement and the movement making decision, that was the point. When I know when it's late and when it's not. Simple. Here it can be the one. Although it's not bad, it remain there. Only there. It's another criteria, but it's fine. Nothing's happened. You just got this position right here. Okay, that's a good one. All right, I tried this again. An uptrend, breakout strongly. Let's see if we see a different setup or resistance on that. All right, 1 minute for that. It may be that just generate resistance, and I enter the count movement. But it does not seem to me that's changed drastically because look, guys, the second price rise with rejection and ends in negative with this candle. And this candle, but well, it's something else, right? Remember that it's 5 seconds, see a lot of things. And we have only 20 seconds for that. Okay. The important thing here is that the break is minimal and what is that? The maximum. Come on. I think there's a gap for that. And look at this guy. Position again. The criteria, the average is broken. And I enter to the upside. Ooh. Well, we won the last entry. So the end of this OTC Markets video for Donchian Channels to see that. All right. We have a good one right here. We can try this. It seems that's confirmation of something that's been given. Look, we see the price rising strongly. We see the breakout rejecting the candle. That is a clear bullish sign of the movement based on the fact that even though it's bearish, the price changing. As if the stage show up slow. Well, it's low up because in this case, I see that. Despite the fact that the trend is downward, it's a strong rejection to the upside. Okay, well. There is a lot of wick in what is the close. It's very fair, but I see a lot of rejection, both downwards and upwards, and guide more than anything. But what is this? I also observe the macro. I see the support here, clear where the price does not pass here, and here there is a reaction, and that the price remains above or meant with a rejection candle indicators. To me, that's the entry can go up. Observe where clears did not get it right.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Okay, that's it. I did not break all the rise, and this is one. And look at that, guys. We just got this. Okay, I have the 6th break, man. I can give any more. I've seen 30 seconds through 1 minute. If I say 1 minute, I throw 2 minutes. It's also depending on the markets, on how to see this. So nothing's happened. Those were things that are seen over time, and the important thing to learn for trades that I look. There are one lost, and that's to say more than 75 effectiveness in 4 operations. Okay. So that is all for this video. Thanks so much. Have a good one, and see you in the next one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the video. Bye bye. See you.